Hey boys and girls, so today for math you have a really easy paper to do. You are going to do this paper that says tell addition stories. So all you have to do is you have to look at each picture. So I might look at A over here and I need to tell a story about that. So I'm going to say it was my birthday. My mom gave me 6 presents. My dad gave me 2 presents. Now I have 8 presents altogether, and I would write the answer. Boys and girls, I want you to do all 4. I want you to tell a parent or an adult or maybe a brother or sister or even a dog those story problems that you come up with. And then I want you to log into Flipgrid. Remember, it's your first name, the number 1, and you are going to tell one of those stories to Mrs. Haig and I. Bye.